Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is Amanda. How are you today? I hope you're well. Today it is time for my first update for my Turn and Burn project. This is the project that I'm doing. It's like a lot of people do this project. It's not necessarily a collaboration, but there are a lot of videos like this. So I will have the document linked in the description box that has a bunch of other people who have kind of signed up to participate in this project. So if you love videos like this, there are a bunch to watch. Everyone does this a little bit differently, but the way I've decided to do this is choose the products that are either like half finished or, you know, smaller products, things that have just been hanging around. It's not necessarily a mini project pan. There are some minis in here, but there are also full-size things. There's things that, you know, are half full, just things I want to finish up, okay? Like I'm sick of looking at them, I want to finish them up. So I'm here for my first update. My dog thinks it's dinner time. He doesn't eat his breakfast until like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Like it just sits in his bowl all morning. And then he wants dinner at like 4 o'clock. I don't understand what's going on with him. He's grumbling outside the door. It's not dinner time. He doesn't have to go to the bathroom. I don't know what he wants. He wants dinner, it's not time. So I did finish a few things, and then the rest just have updates. I'm going to show you the things that I finished first. 2 of the products are gimme products, and I said that going in. These are gimme products. Like, this is to get me started, okay? Don't judge me. So the first thing is this little mangled looking sample of the Beachwaver Cowash. This has been in my shower, so it is pretty nasty. You know, I don't really use a Cowash that often, so this isn't necessarily like a product that I don't really have a ton of experience with a Cowash. It was fine. I'm not going to repurchase it, but it had been in my closet and I wanted to use it up, so I did. The next item is another foil packet. This is the Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. This smelled really delicious. It was a fine mask. I don't think that it was like the most amazing mask I've ever used. I prefer the Joico K-Pack Luster Lock mask. I love that mask. Is Joico cruelty free? I need to look that up because I love that mask. That makes my hair feel so soft. It smells like perfume. I love that mask. This smelled really nice and it seemed to work okay, but not anything that I'm like dying to use again. I also have no clue where you even get this brand. The other thing that I finished is the Tarte H2, what is this called? Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. I actually thought that this was going to be too hydrating because I have like combo to oily skin. So I thought this was going to be too hydrating, but I really liked this. I had never used this before. It smells just clean. It doesn't, you know, I mean, it's not like a strong scent, but it definitely has a scent to it, but it smells just like a clean moisturizer, like clean water, you know what I mean? And initially I was just going to use this at night because I thought, okay, this is going to be way too hydrating and I don't need that much hydration during the day, but I did end up using this during the day and I don't think it was too much. It's obviously more dry right now for I think most people, but it is for me, so I used this fairly quickly because I was able to use it morning and night, and I did really like this. I have a ton of moisturizers, and I really like my mainstay moisturizers. I have some other that I'm going to work into this project to use up. So I can't say that yes, I'm going to repurchase this moisturizer anytime soon, but I did like it and I'm going to like keep it on my radar of things that, you know, I might purchase someday because I did really like this. Now for the updates, and then I'll show you the things that I'm adding in. First update product is the Vichy Mineral 89. When I started I was at the top line and then I'm at the second line right now. I don't really know. I've been using this very consistently and I'm using it fairly quickly, which I'm excited about because I also have a lot of eye creams to use up because I suck at remembering to use them unless I put them in a project pan. I don't really notice a huge difference when I use an eye cream. I don't know if that's me not paying attention. I don't know if the eye cream isn't effective. I don't really know. This doesn't irritate my eyes. It doesn't make them feel red or tingly or irritated or anything like that. I have no issues with it, but I can't say that I'm like in love with it because holy cow, look at how amazing the eyes look. I think they look the same, you know? I think eye cream is like a long-term skincare step. and you don't necessarily notice a difference right away. At least I don't. The next thing is kind of hard to show an update for. This is the Fizz and Bubble Watermelon Lip Scrub. The bubblegum one is my favorite because it smells exactly like bubblegum. I do like their lip scrubs. I like that you can eat them. I'm not gonna like scoop it up and eat it, but you can eat it. And they are scrubby enough that they feel effective, but they don't feel abrasive. I just use this with a little silicone lip scrubber that I got on Amazon. I'll try to remember to have that linked in the description box with these. I think it was like $6 for 6 of them. I really like using them that way. You can of course use your fingers, but I just like the silicone scrub parts. I can scoop it in and not dip my fingers in here, and I can clean the scrubber, you know, all of that. So I'm going to show you this. I don't know if you'll all be able to tell, but there is definitely a dent in this. I have been using it and I'm working on it. The next product is the Derma E Anti-Wrinkle Treatment Oil. I've been using this, I'm not going to say every night. There have been a few nights where I haven't, but very consistently. I really like this oil. I like the Derma E oils. They don't feel greasy. They absorb into my skin nicely, but they definitely feel hydrating. So I really like this oil. I think I have another, I don't know if I have another of this oil, but I have another Derma E oil like ready to go because they do send products to me as PR, which I'm so grateful for. I'm ready to finish this and start the new one, you know? Ready to start the new one. It is an oil though, so it's messy. Then the last product is the Wella Volume Boost Uplifting Hair Mist. I don't know. The sprayer on this is really finicky. Sometimes it works and sometimes it's like, no, we're not gonna work. So I'm actually shocked that I've used as much of it as I have. I've used, you know, I would say like a solid, like maybe almost an inch of the product, which I think is pretty good. And I didn't even use it that much last month. Maybe this will be like my focus product for February and I can just like be done with it, you know? The last two products before the new products are lotion. So the first is the Bath & Body Works Ylang Myrrh Aromatherapy Body Lotion. This is so old. They haven't sold the scent in years, but I love this scent. It smells, it's from their like sensual body lotion line, which I don't think they have that one anymore. It makes me uncomfortable, but it does smell real nice. This is the one that I keep by my nail painting station. I try to remember to put this on before I do my nails so my hands are, you know, moisturized and not totally cracked and disgusting looking. I like this lotion. This isn't my favorite formula of body lotion from Bath & Body Works. I prefer the like body creams just because they're super hydrating, but I do love this scent and I always sad to finish it, but I also be glad to finish it because I mean it's old. I think if a lotion were to be expired, this would be well past expired, but it still smells good. The other lotion from Bath & Body Works is the Amber and Argan, and this is kind of difficult to measure. I think I've measured it semi-accurately. I've been using this at night pretty religiously, which is good because I'm the worst at putting lotion on. But I love this scent. It smells like, what did it say? The fragrance notes are amber, argan, quince, and suede. I mean, I guess. I don't know. It smells good, and I like this. I have so many Bath & Body Works lotions, but I do really like the body cream formula. It's very hydrating and it doesn't feel greasy. I haven't purchased one in years, but I still have a bunch. Alright, so the two new products that I'm adding in are, I mean, it's maybe cheating to add in only 2, but I was cheating before. We're using 2 foil packets, so it's evening out, you know? This is the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. I'm, you know, about halfway done with this. It's just been hanging around, so we're gonna add this in, finish this up. I do like the Mario Badescu facial sprays. I would say that it's not my favorite toner in the world, but I like it. And then the like nighttime moisturizer that I'm adding is the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. This is brand new. I've never used any of it, so it's totally full. And I mean, it is full. Like this sample size jar is full. So we're gonna add this. This feels like it's gonna be kind of a similar texture to the Tarte drink of H2O, but this is the time of year where I need extra hydration, so this will be good. Hopefully, I don't know. And that is the first update for the Turn and Burn project. How are you guys doing on your project pans, projects that you started for the year? I don't always love project panning because I don't like using the same products over and over and over again, even though that is how you finish products, and finishing products is so satisfying. Let me know how you guys are doing on any of your projects. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any video suggestions, let me know what you'd like to see, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.